Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your eSIM number on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Cellular. Now, under the Cellular settings, you'll see an eSIM section. Here you can view your eSIM details and the associated number. For more information about your iPhone eSIM, go back to the main settings page. Tap on General, then select About at the top. Scroll down on the About page, scroll down, and you'll find a section labeled eID. That's your eSIM identifier. In this device, eSIM is not activated, but if you've activated your eSIM, then it'll show here. Tap on it to see your mobile carrier information and other eSIM options. And that's it. You've successfully located your eSIM number and details on your iPhone. This method works for checking digital SIM information on any compatible iPhone model. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.